What's the meaning of champers? Champers. Champers.
Champers. Champers. Champers is a slang term used to refer to champagne. Champagne is a type of sparkling wine that originates from the Champagne region in France and is often associated with celebrations and luxury. It is made using specific methods, including a secondary fermentation in the bottle. The resulting wine is effervescent and has a unique flavor profile that varies based on the grape varietals used and the winemaking techniques employed. Champers is often used in social settings as a symbol of sophistication, celebration, and indulgence.